RayandRy's families.
Today, we're going to open this pizza box. Look behind it. Look me. Looks like, can we open it, Mommy? Can we open it, Mommy?
Yeah.
Okay. And Mommy said, what? Yes. Got it. Back with the scissors.
I'm coming. Your brother is following me. Ooh, be careful.
Got your pizza.
Today, Rayland is opening a pizza party play set. This is what it looks like. It's a pizza party play set.
I have so much pretend food.
Yep. So,
I need some more.
that's what it looks like.
This is the spatula here. Look at the spatula. Look at the red part. Look at the sides here. And look at this. It's like a rolling like pizza. And the final thing is the pizza. The pizza comes with different flavors. Have to take it out. Boom, sorry, man. You have to do like so. You have to put these are the two tools, right, Mommy?
Yeah.
Let me see on the back what it is. Okay. Now we're gonna put these on the bed. Okay, yeah. Our second tool. Now, my special tool is what this is again. What is this?
I don't know. I can't see it.
What is this?
I don't know. It looks like some type of little shaker. Yep.
I'm gonna dust it off. This is the pizza here. Oh man, you should have told me that.
All right. Let's see the plate. All right, and there's a plate. Put it down for us. Nice. Where's your tools? Everything else that came with it.
It's time to eat. Y'all want a pizza? Yeah. You want me to break this, kids? Hey, right here. Y'all want me to put some salt on it? Y'all want me to spread it? You give me that top, kids. They come off.
I don't know. Just put it back on.
I'm gonna put some whole thing of the syrup. I'm gonna spread it around. Y'all want some syrup on y'all? I already. Okay. Y'all want me to reserve it to y'all? Here y'all go.
Yummy. It's our pizza. It's delicious.
I put some syrup on it.
And what else you put on there?
I mixed it up with some. First, I would just mix it up, put some butter in it, and I put some salt. First, I put the butter, then I mixed it up, then I put it in the refrigerator, then I boom. Then I took it out the refrigerator, then I put some butter in it, I spread it all around, then I made some. You want some more?
Yes, put some more on our pizza, please. Thank you.
How? It'll be 50. It'll be $1.
I don't have $1.
That's what we said. Just give me your money, kids. No, thank you, kids. Cash. Here y'all go. Now get to eating. I'm gonna make myself a pizza. First, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Y'all done with your pizza?
Yes, we're done.
You forgot to eat it's,
Here, do
you know,
that.
thank you for the plate. Wash the dishes. Oh, thank you. Let me put the pizza back.
Are you making a new pizza now?
Yep.
And you're gonna put that in the oven?
Yep. Indeed. I'm gonna put on 5 seconds.
Okay, and that's gonna be cooked?
Uh-huh. You can watch the birds coming back, or you can watch on TV.
Okay. And by the time we do all that, it'll be ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
The time we're waiting, it will be still cooking.
Okay.
And I will take it out the oven. I get y'all some. So go watch some TV or watching the birds.
Okay. We're watching the birds. They're beautiful outside.
You can't touch them. Sorry, cause they're the other bird right here. That you can touch her.
Okay. Ooh, that's a nice birdie.
I let her have some pizza when I'm done cooking it. Her just like to fly around. You want to fly around to mommy? Here you go, fly. But it's on top of your head.
Oh boy.
That's her like picking her people's head. So that's okay. I just let her do it so her just can get a little. You like her picking on your head?
Yes, it's fine. Is our pizza ready yet?
Oh no. Gotta be ready. And the zoo is around the corner. You can go there and see the animals, or you want to wait here and watch the birds, or you can watch what's going on in the zoo.
Okay, we'll do that.
Our pizza's ready.
Yay!
We just had a little talk about the things you can. It's not free yet. I have to make it when it's time to go to.
Ooh, it looks so yummy. It looks so yummy and hot.
Yeah, you better watch out. So my safety gloves on. You want this one or this one or this one?
Whichever one you want to give us. We want 5 slices.
Oh, that'll cost $5.
Okay. Here's our money.
Here's your $5 back. You can buy. Now you can go to the zoo for free. Anytime you want to, just come to the zoo. Just come to my pizza place and ring the doorbell. Cause my thing is better be closed in 5 minutes. So y'all better hurry get your stuff ready.
Okay.
There you go. You want me to put it in the bag or just leave it?
No, you can just leave it. Just stack it on our plate for us. Can you stack it on the plate? Ooh.
No, I can't say. What does this sign says?
Huh?
What does this sign says?
What does it say?
It says no stacking food on the plate.
Wow, what can you do?
I can flip a thing. Gives you your drink first.
Ooh, we get a drink first? What kind of drink is this?
I think it's apple. Apple.
Ooh, apple juice. Yummy.
You call $1.
Goodness, how much do you want from us?
You can give me $1 because you can get how many? This you know how thank you for your $1. You can get whatever money you have.
Okay.
Ooh, it's so hot. You better be soup. You want some soup with it?
No, just the pizza is fine, sir.
Alright, the pizza will be $5.99.
We already paid you.
Well, you need to first. You need to pay me. You pay me for that drink. Now you need to pay me for that.
We paid you for the pizza. You remember?
Last time you paid me for the pizza. Now the first 3 hours, the drink was not free. This is free.
What's free?
The pizza that was on here was not free. Hey, I'm gonna make some. Y'all want some pie with it?
Ooh, that sounds good.
Let me just cut up the pizza in half. Then I want to make you want all of the pizza or this one?
I said 5.
5 pieces. That's going to be a lot. And no more customers might want some. So I have to give you one.
Okay.
$1.
Again, we keep paying you.
Thank you. This time I'm gonna give you the hot one.
Okay, give us the hottest one. That's fine.
You know, I'm gonna give you what? I'm gonna give you what? You're super spicy.
Okay. We like spicy.
The kids might don't like it.
Oh, okay. The kids don't like spicy. I got it.
This is for, you want one for the kids?
Yes.
The other one, this one is gonna be sweet. But you have 2 kids or 1?
I have 7.
No, you're gonna get that. Where's your kids at?
They're in the car.
How many adults you have?
How many what?
How many adults you have in the car?
5.
Oh, how many babies you have?
7.
Stop. Are you pranking me? You have 1 baby, you have 1 baby, you have 1 kid. That's what I'm gonna give you. One for you, one for the you want one for your child?
Yes, please.
Okay, you want one for your 1 child?
Yes, that's fine.
Okay. You want me to get this mini pizza?
I asked for 5 in the beginning.
Okay, just let me just. You want me some pie?
Yes.
I asked you a beginning ago. You said no. I need to put it together since you have 5 kids.
Yes, that'll be perfect.
Here you go.
Is that our pizza?
Yes, put it in your car. No, let me give you. Since you have a car,
Yes.
so let me put it in a basket for you. That way you can carry it. You want to slice it in half.
Yeah, you can slice it in half for us.
How many subscribers you have on your camera? So I can give them to them.
25.
Oh gosh. 1, 2. How many older kids you have?
We have 4 older kids.
How many babies you have?
7.
Say 1.
1.
How many toys you have for your babies?
How many what?
Toys you have for your babies?
20.
How many toys you have for your children?
70.
No, you need to have some. $29. I give you the money so you can buy some more toys. This is also for toys. We can buy some toys.
Okay, that's our food there?
Yep. Put your drink in there.
All right, we're going to put our drink in there?
Yep.
Yummy.
Go home. You can go home. You can take the plate also.
You're going to give us a plate? Wonderful. Thank you.
Or you can take.
You're going to give us all of your stuff. Okay.
Yeah, so you can have it. Can I come home with y'all?
You're going to come home with us?
Yeah. Bye. Thank you for watching. We're going to go home. Then bye. Bye. Thank you for watching my video. You can subscribe. Bye.